care more than what Google say my net is. I got cheddar with the shit, Phoenix in the exit. This is double P, I rock double C, man. I run in beats like.
Okay, we're going to the happy hole. It's gonna be lit. Bow, bow, bow. Jeff, do the thing with your finger. Do the bow, 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 bow. Yeah.
Is 𝐥𝐤𝐤 touchdown a girl?
So as you can hear there for a brief moment, it's quite windy, so I decided to dub over this portion. Right now I'm just saying, oh look, there's a group of people going up right to where we're going, to the happy hole. That's crazy, isn't it? Look at that, it's like an oasis. An oasis? Oasis? More like oasis, am I right?
Yeah.
Oasis. More like oasis.
Jeff laughed. Jeff laughed. It's funny.
Yep.
Be careful as to not hook socks onto flora and fauna.
I don't want to step in it.
Yeah, I'm not stepping past this.
Dude, I guarantee there's some of those the
Troglodytes?
Troglodytes?
Yo, there's a bridge!
Gwen, chill!
There's
That's gonna sink
bridge.
so quick.
Bro.
Oh, yuck. Yeah, step on it. Go ahead.
Oh, cool. That's gonna be a sick photo.
Just kind of web your feet out. Yeah, you're good.
Duh.
Trilobites. What were those things called again, anyway? It's the Silver Surfer. There's a dragonfly. I haven't seen a dragonfly in a long time.
Alright.
Continue. Careful, Quench.
It literally feels like a mud flat. There should be like crab holes.
I want to look more. Hang on.
Lemon in my A, lemon in my E. Call them boogers.
Make it to the place in time. Dude, we'll be fine.
Yo, crab hole. Oh. Crab hole. Dude, there's a crab. There's a crab living in here.
What's this? Oh, never mind.
Dude, there's a huge hole over here, but if you want to get that. Look at it.
Wait. Yo, who shit in the bush? Dude.
Little, like, nice little abode under there.
Oh my god. Wow, look at that. There's a nice little abode. Is this where you live?
I wish.
I'm just looking. You know? I feel like Apple where I'm sending out these Mac orders.
Dude.
Found some cool little shits, but nothing interesting.
Whoa!
Wait, what the fuck?
Dude, that is steep.
They know what they're doing.
Holy shit.
What the fuck?
That was metal as fuck.
That was crazy.
Oh my god. It's just a lizard, who cares? It got that is in my damn tongue. Eat.
Yuck. This is such a fucking gross start. Like,
This is horrible.
we're just like.
The footage is horrible. This sucks. This fucking sucks.
Toss it.
Yeah, dude, one ear of corn. They eat it, they toss it, and that's it. They're done for the day. Oh,
Look. A Fleur De Lis.
it is a Fleur De Lis, sort of. It's like, it's literally cast iron.
It's French. It's like F-L-E.
Yeah, all right.
Like
Weird. Gross. Yo, another Fleur De Lis. Yo, another Fleur De Lis. What the f? What is this? Why does it have a spike in it?
It was probably for like water. They could like see where the water is. Oh. too like bent. Like you can't. Ready? Oh, you meant throw it. I think you meant spike it down. Good shit. I'm gonna try that now. Ready?
Yo, it's another Fleur De Lis.
Oh, imagine if that fucking stuck. Oh man.
Yo, it's another Fleur De Lis.
Get the fuck out of here. Yo, look at this. You never just step on shit like this. I feel like we're in that like death like purgatory place
From Rango?
no from
Yeah.
what's that movie, Scott Pilgrim, where he dies and he has the extra life.
Dude, this is
Like Ramona's talking.
this
to
is
him.
this is from Rango. Dude, it's a Fleur De Lis. It's a Fleur De Lis.
Wait, how did the vans end up like this? It's like crumbled away.
That's Yo, Jeff. Stomp out the vans in the vans. Stomp out the vans in the vans. Stomp out the vans in the vans. Stop out the vans in the vans. Damn, the double soul van, goddamn.
Double soul van, goddamn.
Wait, you wanna find something cool?
Yeah.
Like a Fleur De Lis.
We're just shooting at this.
Yo, it's a Fleur De Lis. Alright.
Whoa!
Why the fuck did you get up over there?
Should we go up that way first, or should we come here?
I don't know.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh.
Dude,
What was that?
that was the Vine boom sound effect. Alright, now for my turn. Hup, hup. Okay. It's easy.
So sex. Alright, let's hurry up.
So sex. Yo, the shroom's cool. Self-portrait. Demon hole is wrong. This place is the happy hole. Who did that? Yo, who did that? What's going on? Hey, what did all this stuff? Well, look at this guy. What's this? Oh, who did that?
I tried to write peg, but I didn't know how to do it.
It just looks like P, but with one uppercase and one lowercase. The sugar tunnel. Or the happy hole. Here we go. Guys, I can't fucking fit. You guys forget I'm fucking. I'm lanky. I'm lanky. Oh man, I'm lanky. Whoa, dude, free stuff. Whoa, that's sick. Look at it. Kill daily. That's a cool style right there.
That is sick.
I like how he does that K a lot. That's good.
This is cool. I like that.
Gesso, baby. Like art gesso.
Oh, anarchy. I should have done that.
Make your kids here.
This one's good.
What the? Definitely.
Oh, this is good.
Yo, an actual piece. Dude, they should do this in the light so people can look at it. It's nice.
It's gonna get removed if they do it. Like, it's come along.
Oh man, this one's
Looks like they're still working on it, maybe?
Dude. Oh, sad. I know, I feel like, yo.
That shit's.
Yo, guys, dude, I can read this, hold on.
Thanks, Quinn. Good stick of pickle in here.
Look at that gradient.
Ah, it's a nice little gradient.
Oh, watch out for the web.
Yeah, we sending out the Mac orders.
They came and painted over this shit.
Dude.
Make anything that's visible. Guys, there's tires. We can roll them down.
Yo.
Let's go check in that water area.
Yo. The water area. You're right.
Get the water.
Dude, there's definitely gonna be some trilobits. Some trilobits.
Chilibites.
Some trilobits.
Trollaboats.
Some troglodytes.
Dude, there's no way. I think somebody threw seeds in here. That's why it.
Seeds? Did you just say seeds? Yeah, animal seeds.
Eggs. We could have used that.
For what? There's another one.
Oh yeah, there's a few more.
Or like 2 more.
There's a lot more.
That shit just sunk in. Do you see how deep this shit is?
It's the muck pit. Yeah, that shit just swallowed.
Dude, this shit, the muck hut. The muck put.
The muck bang.
What if someone just grabs my leg and is just like... Inertia is a property of matter.
This is how Atlas probably felt.
What do you mean? He's still feeling it. Eternal means eternal, bro.
This probably doesn't look very steep on the video.
Oh, it's...
All right, this shit's gonna be crazy.
Yo, one of us should be down there.
Do you want to go down there and film it from down there? It's gonna suck.
Shut up! Why don't you guys film your perspective on your phone and send it to me?
Alright, this is for the shot. Three, two.
We're off to a good start. It's gonna fucking slap Quinn. Wow, Quinn. Jesus Christ.
Whoa!
Please fucking bounce. Oh, I was trying to get it over. Damn, man.
Quinn, you are insane.
Yeah, that was kind of fucking crazy.
Okay, so the camera's getting low and the light is getting dim. So I'm gonna call it for now.
Poop.